Yo guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can connect 9Proxy on your Android or iOS device. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm already logged into my account. This is going to be a short tutorial, but very effective. I'm already logged into my account. So then what you are going to do now is to create an IP that you can put into any Source5 configurator. Okay, any Source5 configurator that supports username and password. So then we come here, we click on the IPs, then we come proxy to web, then we create proxies. So over here we are going to create an account, and then if you already have an account, you can just come here and log in. I haven't created any account on this particular one, so then we will create add new here. So here, okay, so then here, what you're going to do is you're going to enter a username and password and do a few settings. So username, let me say Ben Wise, and then password, okay, AY. Um, so this is my password. Okay, this is going to be my password for this. And then what are they saying? Okay. Okay. So this is going to be my password. So this is a very important setting that you have to make as well. So what you do is, you see, we are using IPs. If you have gig, you can use it. If you have IPs, you can use it. But then in my case, I have 18 IPs. So you see the unlimited and the limited over here. What the unlimited does is, if it sets a proxy on IP, it can last up to 24 hours. So after 24 hours, it is going to renew. So if you want it to renew every 24 hours, if you want your IP that you're going to set to renew every 24 hours, what you're going to do is you put it on unlimited. So after every 24 hours for 18 times for 18 IPs, that is like 18 days, my IPs are going to get finished. But if you want maybe an IP to do one or two, then that's it. You come to limited. In this case, I will choose one because I'm just using it for the tutorial. I don't really use it right now at the moment. So then I will just limit it to one IP. Okay. So then I'll click on sub user. But if you have gig, you do the same thing over here. You leave the IPs as you do the gig. So then what I'm going to do now over here is click on sub user. We are done with here. We click on sub user. Okay. So you see now I have an account here. It has been selected. Don't worry about the username and the password. You are going to get it again. So this is where you choose your IP. So over here, your country that you want to choose, let's say USA. I want to use USA, so I'll type US of A, or United States. Okay, so then United States is here, and host, you can scrap it. So you see this place, state, city, ISP. If you have a particular state that you want to use, fine. If you have a city that you want to use, fine. But in my case, I want to choose T-Mobile and ISP. You understand? And here it has become random. Then you choose the ISP that you want. You click on the random. So I want to use T-Mobile. So I'll click on search and I'll type T-Mobile. So you see I have T-Mobile over here. I'll select the one that I want. Okay. So then over here we have the duration for which you want the IP to last. In my case, I want it to last for 24 hours. So I'll click on this one. Click here. The duration has been set for 24 hours. So after 24 hours before the IP, this IP is going to do what? It's going to expire. 24 hours. So that is it. So after doing this, what you have to do is to copy these credentials, the host, port, username, and the password. The IP has been created already. Okay, if you do this, your IP has been created. So then you click on the host. You can use any configurator of your choice. Okay, in my case, I'm using Super Proxy. So then I'll just come here and then add proxy. Profile name, let me say T Mobile new. You choose SOX 5. Whichever configurator that you use, you choose SOX 5. Okay, so the server is going to be the host. And then we go back and copy the port, and then authentication, you use username and password. Okay, so this is the username, we copy, we paste it here, and the password we come and copy, and then we paste it here, and then we click on save, and then we connect. You can use Shadow Rocket, any SOX 5 configurator of your choice. Forget about the network error, it's going to work. So then we come here and then we click on new tab, and then we search for Hua. Okay, so then you see we are connected to the US right now using the 9Proxy. You understand? So this is how you can connect your 9Proxy or your mobile phone or iPad, either Android or iOS. You can use Shadow Rocket. This works for every SOX 5 configurator. Shadow Rockets, Potato Light, Super Proxy, whichever that you have, you can use it. Okay, so I'll be doing more videos about stuff like this. If you want more videos on stuff like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification channel so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Okay, bye.